everybody, we're leaving United Refrigeration. Just picked up a filter for a humidifier. Got a call that humidifier's not working, so I figured might as well grab a filter for it. Okay, everybody, we made it. We have ourselves a Carrier HUM CCLBP2417-A. This filter's pretty bad. I'm gonna go ahead and change it out.
I did duct clean. Not
Got the new
out
filter?
or something else.
It's a Carrier, but the Apple Air filter fits. Yeah, some of those duct cleaning companies are scams too. Yeah, look out for
This
them.
one that I got, I made him give me money back.
Yeah. I have to mount it in that housing. Yeah, your furnace don't get too dirty, really.
Well,
it's more about checking everything.
They should have cleaned this.
Yeah. I'm gonna need both hands for this. Okay, we have the new one back in place. Water circulating through there, so open the damper back up. Put it back on. Winter. Cover back on. I'll see if she want me to replace this hose. Alright. That's it for that. The guys who installed this, he didn't install a pump. It's condensate drain. I did use my CLC bag today on this one, and pretty much like it. It's pretty cool. Wish I could have won the veto for Eamon. Yeah, this bag gets the job done as well. Well, just got through finishing up the humidifier. Really, nothing too much to it. I was expecting a bad solenoid valve, but the solenoid valve is good. Just a dirty filter. So we just replaced the filter, clean the housing. Hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next adventure.